Hi, how are you? I'm Zhou. Today we are going to cook a classic Cantonese breakfast or dim sum staple, superior soy sauce Chow Mein. Loosely translated to superior soy sauce stir-fried noodle in English. Chow Mein is something I will never miss whenever I visit the Chinese restaurants in Hong Kong or Guangzhou. They cook this simple noodle so well where every bite is full of undescribable flavor. A great superior soy sauce chow mein can be very addictive and utterly scrumptious. Since we cannot travel during this pandemic, I decided to attempt at home. The ingredients are pretty simple, however, one needs to pay attention to the steps and tips to fire up a plate of iconic superior soy sauce chow mein, just like the restaurant one. Before we start, please click like, share and subscribe for my new tested recipes and updates. Here we are going to be a better cook. Let's cook together. The oil is to prevent noodles stick together. Cover with kitchen towel. Let the noodle continue to cook by remaining heat for 3 minutes. Turn over the noodle so that both sides soak up some water. Cover with kitchen towel or a lid for another 3 minutes. Loosen the noodle on a plate and let it cool down so that it won't stick to the wok later. Have you ever wondered why the noodle you eat in the Chinese restaurant is very fragrant? We call that Wok Hei. Direct translation, the heat of the wok. Look, this step is very important to achieve Wok Hei. Heat up the wok until smoke appears. That is, the wok is very hot now. Then add the cooking oil. You add the noodle to lightly fry one side for a while. Use spatula to test when it can be moved easily. Turn the noodle over the other side to lightly fry. Now, you can use chopsticks or a tongue to stir it around. See, this is how I do it. This step will make the noodle dry and fragrant. Add a teaspoon of pork lard or cooking oil. Continue to stir fry with chopstick. You must use enough oil to fry the noodle. If not enough oil, it will turn mushy and lumpy after adding sauce and vegetable into it. Turn to low heat while adding in the sauce. Remember, there is sugar in the sauce. It is easier to stir evenly under low heat to prevent burning. Once mixed evenly, turn to high heat. Continue to stir. This step will make it more fragrant. You can replace with other vegetables, for example, cabbage strips, carrot strips, yellow chives, or even big onion strips. It's really up to you. Now we have a plate of delicious noodle. Chinese staple for breakfast or supper. Simple and easy. Don't you want to try? This is best to go with a bowl of sweet dessert like tong sui. Check out my collagen-filled bubur cha cha recipe.